So, if you're anything like me, then you love to play modded Minecraft. And even more than that, you love to play modded Minecraft with the beautiful shaders on. So if that is you, then you are in the right place. In case you didn't know, I am JEFFERSCRAFT. If you're new here, welcome here. I'm glad you're here to see this. I hope I can help you with modding Minecraft. And if you're returning, man, it's good to see you. I'm glad you're here. I hope you keep coming back for more, and I hope you're enjoying this. All of my content, I do enjoy making it. Okay, so that being said, what I'm gonna tell you is that I'm gonna tell you, or I'm gonna show you. Let's say that instead. Not I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you or walk you through. You could follow me the whole way, and hopefully by the end of this, you will have the newest version of Minecraft, or at least the newest official version of Minecraft 1. At this time anyway, which is April 17th, 2025. The newest official version of Minecraft is 1.21.5. So I'm going to show you how to get this version of Minecraft into a modded version of Minecraft. And even better than that, I'm going to show you how to get beautiful shaders, or at least in my opinion, better than that. So by the end of this, you're going to be able to have the newest version of Minecraft with all its new vanilla features. And also you're going to be able to add mods to it. Obviously the mods that are available for it, which I think there's a lot at this point. And it's going to look beautiful because you're going to be able to put the shaders that you want on here. All right, guys. So what do you say? What do you think? What do you think? It's going to be a good time? Or at least I hope it's going to be a very informative video for you. I guess a tutorial. All right, so let's go. What we're going to do is you're going to have to go to this website called fabricmc.net. So obviously, as you can tell, or if you didn't already know, the Fabric is a mod loader. It's one of the mod loaders. There's other ones obviously, but Fabric is my favorite. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to turn the newest version of Minecraft into a Fabric mod loader. We could load Fabric mods. Okay, so first thing you're gonna want to do is go to this on this. When you get to this website, fabricmc.net, you're gonna want to go to this tab right here where it says download Fabric API, and click on that, and it'll take you over to CurseForge where you can download the newest version of Fabric API. Okay, so go to 1.21.5 because that's the newest official version, and then obviously Fabric, and then just download the newest one. Okay, and that's going to go to wherever your downloads go to. I'm sure you know where that's at. You know, most people have just a download folder. So once that is done, we're going to move on. Okay, next thing you're going to want to do is go back to where we're at that the fabricmc.net there. Okay, so now we're back here, and where it says download right here under the Fabric loader, you want to hit that download button, and here where it says download for Windows, you want to hit that one, and so it's gonna put the installer into your downloads. Okay, all right, so that's all that we're gonna do for right now on the web. Okay, on the internets. The next thing that you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to open up your downloads folder, wherever that might be. Okay, show you guys here that those things that you just downloaded are obviously in your downloads folder. Hopefully I'm not being too redundant here. Some of this is probably obvious, but I just want to make sure, because in previous tutorials that I've done, there's been a lot of questions and maybe I was going too fast. So anyway, so right here we got our Fabric installer and the Fabric API. So the next thing I would do is on this Fabric installer, I would double click. So when it comes up, it's this right here. So it's the installer itself, right? So you're going to want to make sure it's the version you want. So in our case, it's 1.21.5. And you're going to click on, just leave everything the way it is, and then click on install. This is what it comes up with. If it's successful, what this has done now is this has gone onto your Minecraft loader as a fabric install for 1.21.5. Okay. So then that being said, the next thing we want to do is just close these out. Next thing you're going to want to do is go over to Minecraft. Here it goes. And then I'm going to show you what to do in here. Okay. So see how we had just put that fabric installer on there and it already came up right here for our fabric loader 1.21.5. So we know it's in here. Perfect. That's what we want. What you want to do next is in the very upper left-hand corner, or pretty much on the launcher right here, you want to click on installations. Okay. And so we're going to do right here where it says new installations. You want to click on that one and then just name it. So in this case, I'm going to put fabric 1.21.5. And I guess that's it. That's probably good. I'm just gonna do that. You can name it obviously whatever you want. Okay, and then right here in versions, this is super important. You want to go down and find the fabric loader for 1.21.5, the one that we just downloaded and installed. Okay, and you want to make sure it's on that version, or obviously if it's a different version you're going for, then it'll be that one. But for us, it's 1.21.5. Okay, and then here in this game directory, see, if you don't do anything with this, a lot of people have mistakes with this. I get tons of questions when I do these videos about this exact step right here. So pay close attention just in case you run into this problem. So in the game directory, if you just leave it as it is, it's gonna put it into the main directory for in your Minecraft folder system. And if you do that, then you would just have to know that, because it's going to override anything else that you had in there that was modded. You know what I'm saying? So if you do that, you just need to make sure that that's what you want, and you're fine with just that being there. Because if you try to do a different version and you do the same thing, it's going to just override that one. If I'm making sense. So I'm going to show you how to just separate it so that you can do multiple installations of Minecraft, modded Minecraft, whatever you want to do, and you can have them separate and they can all work together. So then what you want to do in this game directory, you're going to browse, and then you're going to go to your Minecraft folder, which is going to be an app data. So it's going to be on your computer, app data, roaming, and then Minecraft. Okay. And then in your Minecraft folder, you're going to want to create. So just make sure you're in your normal Minecraft folder where all of your installations are at. And if you've never done this before, then you have to find your Minecraft folder by typing in the search bar under the Windows icon, put percent app data percent, and then I believe it'll go to .minecraft. And so the .minecraft is your Minecraft folder. Okay. And that's where all of your installations are going to go into. So if you went on to the new installations and didn't do this browse method and put your own path, it's going to just put it into this folder automatically, and it'll put it all the way down here at the bottom where it says versions, and it doesn't have any specific place to go, right, other than in the folder, Minecraft folder. So I know I'm being probably more detailed than I need to, but I just want to make sure to drive this point home that you have to separate this stuff so that you know where it's at. Okay. So now moving on, when you're in this .minecraft folder, you want to right click inside the folder, and then you want to go down to new, and you want to go to folders, and you want to name this folder whatever you want to name it, so you know where this version of Minecraft is going into. Okay, because all of your folders for your mods are going to populate into this. So I'm just going to name it the same thing, fabric 1.21.5, and then I'm going to upload. Now let me make sure it's here. Yeah, fabric 1.21.5. Okay, so there we are. Now we got it. Okay, so that's all you got to do is upload it. So as you see here in the game directory, it has its own file path into the Minecraft or into the .minecraft folder, into the folder that you made. Okay, so once you did that, it should look just like this: 1.21.5 fabric or whatever you named it. Then it's going to be the right version that you want. Then it's going to have your path in the Minecraft folder that you want to go to. Okay, so one more thing, and then we got this ready to, you know, get some mods in it, and we'll move on to the next step. But so one last thing here where it says, I don't want to do that. Here where it says browse, you want to click on that, and down here it'll drop down a menu that says Java arguments, and then right over here where it says XMX2G, what that is the amount of RAM that you're allocating for Minecraft, for this version of Minecraft. So what I always say is you want to just double whatever your RAM size of your computer is. So hopefully you know that. If you don't know that, I guess you could probably figure it out by searching in your computer. Half of mine is 16 because I have 32 gig. So I'm going to put 16. And as long as you do that, then you're all good to go. One last thing, if you want to put a particular icon so you know what it is, go for that. So let's see, what do I want to do? I think I like this. I like the emerald block on that one. So okay, so this is how it should be. This should be half of your RAM on your computer. This should be the right file path that you want it to go to, so you know where it's at. This should be the right version of Minecraft that you want, and this should be the name that you want. Okay, so once you got that, just click install. And don't worry about this. You understand the risks. Like any kind of modding, they're always going to warn you that it's on you if something crashes or something like that. Okay, so just, I mean, nothing's going to crash as far as like not going to hurt your computer. It's just, it could crash the version of Minecraft or the game. So, you know, that's just the breaks when you mod stuff. I'm sure you all know that if you've ever done it. So here you go. Just push. So what you want to do from here is just, you're cool with it. I understand the risk, and you want to play. Right down here, as you can see, this is our Minecraft 1.21.5 fabric modded, dude. We got a new version of Minecraft that's ready to be modded right here. It's ready to go. Okay, so now next thing is I'm going to show you how to actually put some mods on here and get some shaders, and then we'll take a look at how it looks. Okay, guys, so hopefully you've followed along good so far. One more thing I'll tell you is the reason why we want to start this up after we do the install is because when we did that, it'll populate the folders we need to actually add mods, and I'll show you that next. Okay, so now let's just shut this. So Modrith is a mod place where you can get mods. Probably everybody knows that, modrith.com. And then, or you can just search in the search bar on Google sodium mod, and it'll take you to Modrith or CurseForge if you prefer. And then you want to go look for this one. It'll take you to this one anyway, called Sodium. And what this does is it's like a performance enhancing mod. Without this, you might struggle with all kinds of things that you know, the lag and everything else that you can run into with shaders, mods, things like that. So this is going to really help you with performance. Okay, so you definitely want to get this one. You want to obviously get the fabric version, or in this case, yeah, fabric version. Then we're doing 1.21.5, and then just, I would say, download just the newest one is the best. Okay, we're gonna download that. That'll go into your downloads. So right now we have the Fabric API. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, the Fabric API is not, you know, 100% necessary to have Fabric and mods, but there's most mods, or at least tons of mods and tons of good mods, they require that Fabric API to work. So that's why I say that's like an essential, just like the Sodium is. Okay. Now, once we got Sodium in the downloads, let's move on. And the next mod you're going to go for is called Iris. And Iris enables you to add shaders, okay, onto Fabric. And I believe you could also do like NeoForge as well. But anyway, so you want to go to Fabric. It'll be, I use Modrith, but you can also find it on their website, or you can find it on CurseForge. And then you want to go to, I'm doing Fabric, and then the version of Fabric is 1.21.5. And you want to download that, and that's going to go into your downloads folder. And once that's done, we're going to move on to the next one. So now I'm going to put, I don't know if you guys have heard of Distant Horizons, but this is an amazing mod that can make your render distance like, you know, far. I think you can go up to 5,000 chunks or something like that, 4,000 chunks. So it just makes, you can see everything. It looks beautiful, right? And if you have the right shaders, this is a must-have for me. So anyway, in Modrith, you can find Distant Horizons, and then you want to go to Fabric. Sorry, you can get it for Forge though, and then you want to go to the version of Minecraft you want. I'm doing 1.21.5. Then we are going to download that guy. So once that's downloaded, which it is, then I'm going to go to my next one. So I like, no offense, honestly, to the vanilla Minecraft enthusiasts out there, but I prefer world generation mods, and I have some favorite ones. My most favorite one, Tectonic, is not available for the newest version. So I chose my next favorite, which is called Willem Wyther's Overhauled Overworld. Okay, so if you're following along and you're wanting to add this too, then go to Modrith and you can find this guy there. Do the same, you know, steps. Go Fabric, go the version you're doing, 1.21.5 in our case, and then download. Okay, so now we have a performance mod, you know, basically a render distance mod, a world generation mod, and then a mod that makes it so we can do shaders. We have everything else we need. Oh, one more thing we're gonna do is we are going to get some shaders. My favorite shader with Distant Horizons, if we can get it to work on here, is called Bliss. So I'm gonna go Bliss shaders, and we're gonna get it from Modrith. And let's see, for Iris and for the newest version, and then we're going to download that. So that's all you got to do. So now we have a shader, world gen mod, a optimization mod, a mod to add shaders, and like a render distance mod. Okay. So we have all that. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go into your downloads, and in your downloads folder, you're going to have all of these mods and the shader. So I would just move them onto your desktop, move them where you know they're easy to get to, and just move all these mods over here. I'm just doing them one at a time so it doesn't put them in a weird spot, but you know how to do this, I'm sure. Our Fabric API, we definitely need that. So do I have everything? Yeah, I have everything. So, okay, so just go ahead and close your downloads. Now open your Minecraft folder. All right, here we go. Yeah, obviously app data, roaming, and .minecraft is where you want to be. And if you remember what you named your folder, here it is on mine. It's a Fabric. Let me get this bigger. Here we go. Fabric, what do I call it? Fabric 1.21.5. So here you go. That's a little too big for me. Okay, so Fabric 1.21.5, go into that folder. So now, as you can see, since we started it up, it actually populated some of these folders. Now, as you can see, there is no shader folder yet. So we're not able to put shaders in yet, but I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So, but we do have our mods folder right here. And also, I didn't put, you know, get any resource packs ready, but if you did have specific resource packs, or you had a world that you wanted to move over, you can do that from here too now, because you have your saves where you can put your worlds, existing worlds, I mean, and then you have your resource packs. But what we're looking for is this mods folder. So open that mods folder, and we're going to move over these mods to that, okay? Sodium, we'll want Iris, we want Distant Horizons, and like I said, Distant Horizons could give us trouble. I'm not sure, we're going to see, but so there you go. All your mods are in your mods folder in your version of Minecraft that you made, okay? So now that we did that, let's close that for now and let's open up Minecraft. Okay, so open up your Minecraft launcher. We're gonna get ready to start this up and see if our mods work. Okay, so here we're on our newest version, Fabric 1.21.5, guys. Here we go. Let's play it. Let's see what happens. Because we did that, look at what we have. If you go into options, you go into video settings and you go into shader packs. Now we have a spot to put shaders, and I'll tell you why that is. It's because we loaded in that mod called Iris into our mods folder, and once we started Minecraft, it populated the shader folder for us. Okay, and right here also, this is the little icon for Distant Horizon. So you push this right now, we got a chunk set at 256 chunks, which is totally fine. Balanced, I like everything. All the out of the box options are good for me for now. I think it'll work. And so check it out, man. We are ready, almost ready to start this world up and go check it out, see how beautiful this is. And like I say, I hope you guys are following along okay. And if I went too fast in any place or wasn't clear enough in any places, definitely put that in the comments. I'll do my best to answer your questions. So anyway, so what you want to do is at this point, we're going to want to add some shaders. So we're going to quit the game. We have our Bliss shader sitting here on our desktop. So now you're going to want to go back to your Minecraft folder. By now, if you took my advice, you made yourself a little shortcut, made it easy to get there. And once you get in there, you're going to find that folder, which for us is, where is it at? It's Fabric 1.21.5 right here. Just go into that. And as you can see, we got our shader packs folder there. So open that up, stick your shader in there, and you can stick multiple shaders in here if you want to switch in between different ones you like oh man, there's all kinds of BSL, complimentary. I mean, there's a bunch of cool shaders. So, you know, you can put them all in there and switch between them. So once you've done that, close that, go back into your Minecraft launcher, open this guy up, and make sure you're on the right version, and then let's get into it, man. So here we are. We're about ready to make a new world. And if everything we did works out right, we're gonna have this beautiful Minecraft, this beautiful newest version of Minecraft. So first, before we do that, let's go to options, go to video settings, go to shader packs, and now here's where all your different shaders, if you put more than one in, will be, but I just put this one, Bliss. So we're gonna go on that, apply it, and wait for it. It's already done. Push done, done, and done. So now we are ready to make our world. So let's go here, single player. Let's call it tutorial. If I can spell right. No, and then I'm just gonna do a creative world for now. We don't need anything fancy. And here we go, guys. Create world. Ooh, this is it. This is it. I'm gonna see if this all worked good. See how this looks, man. I'm excited. Are you? Are you guys? Look at this beautiful world. This is the newest version of Minecraft with all of the, you know, vanilla new things that they added to this. If you're like a person that always wants to play on the newest updated version of Minecraft, aside from the snapshot, obviously this is not the newest snapshot. I know everybody loves the new happy gas thing from the newest snapshot, but that's not this, unfortunately. But this is the newest official version that has all of those new features, like for example, the flowers on the cactus, I believe it has the different sheep, the animal variants, things like that. And this is it, man. We did it. Newest version of Minecraft with beautiful looking shaders. It's still rendering the background, so it's a little bit laggy. Let's see. I'm still getting, you know, I'm not getting consistent frame rate, but I'm getting over 30 all the time. So, I mean, that's not bad. You know what I mean? I think we did it, guys. Hope you guys were able to follow along with this. I hope you enjoyed this and it was educational for you. It helped you with what you needed. Let me know in the comments if you struggled at all or if I went too fast, any of that. And, you know, if you have any questions, definitely give me those questions in the comment. I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. And hope you enjoyed. Have a good afternoon, good evening, good night. Peace.